To set up BMO travel rewards, start by applying for a BMO rewards credit card that suits your needs, such as the BMO World Elite MasterCard or the BMO Cashback MasterCard. Once you have been approved and received your card, activate it by following the instructions provided with your card or by calling the phone number on the back of the card. Next, register for a BMO online banking account if you do not already have one. This will allow you to manage your rewards account and redeem your points online. To register, go to the BMO website and click on the register link. Then follow the prompts to create a username and password. After registering for online banking, enroll in the BMO Rewards program by logging in to your online banking account and clicking on the Rewards tab. Here you can view your rewards balance, redeem points, and track your rewards activity. To earn travel rewards, use your BMO Rewards credit card for all your daily purchases, as you will earn points on every purchase you make. You can also earn bonus points by shopping through the BMO Rewards website or by taking advantage of special promotions and offers. To redeem your travel rewards, log into your online banking account and click on the Rewards tab. Then select the travel option. You can redeem your points for flights, hotels, car rentals, and other travel expenses. You can also use your points to book travel through the BMO Rewards website or by calling the BMO Travel Rewards Center. To get the most out of your BMO travel rewards, make sure to read and understand the terms and conditions of your rewards program, including any restrictions or blackout dates. You should also keep track of your rewards balance and activity to ensure that you are earning and redeeming points correctly. By following these steps and using your BMO Rewards credit card for all your daily purchases, you can earn and redeem travel rewards and enjoy a more rewarding travel experience. Remember to always use your points wisely and to take advantage of any special promotions and offers to maximize your rewards earnings.